Hello everyone, welcome to Arriving 3DP. I'm Kelsey. Let's check out two generations of same kind of 3D printer. This is the first generation machine of LS250. The door of filament room is without rubber sealant. And this is the second generation machine. The upper circle shows the temperature and humidity of printing chamber, and the lower circle shows the data of filament room. See, there is a rubber sealant to block moisture better. Besides, we add an extruder here compared to the first generation machine. On one hand, it increases the stability of feeding and delivery of material. On the other hand, we can reduce the weight of print head. The original motor in print head is bigger. We are the professional manufacturer of 3D printers, and we offer high quality 3D printing services. See you next time!